If you need support for Google Maps, you can access help directly from the main menu panel in the web version. This is the quickest way to reach Google's official support resources without searching manually. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Once the map loads, look at the left side menu panel. This is where all major navigation options like Saved, Recents, and Contribute are located. Scroll down the menu until you find the Help or Get Help option. This is the entry point to Google Maps support tools. Clicking Get Help will redirect you to the Google Maps Help Center. This page contains official support documentation and troubleshooting guides created by Google. Once inside the Help Center, you will see a search bar at the top. You can type in your issue, such as problems with directions, missing places, incorrect routes, or account-related concerns. After searching, Google will show a list of help articles that match your issue. Click the most relevant one and follow the step-by-step instructions provided. In many cases, these help articles will solve common problems without needing further support. They cover topics like navigation errors, location issues, and map feature usage. If your issue is not resolved through the Help Center articles, you can usually find an option to send feedback. This allows you to report a problem directly to Google Maps. When sending feedback, explain your issue clearly and include details such as what you were doing and what went wrong. This helps Google identify and improve the feature or fix bugs in the system. While Google Maps does not offer traditional live customer service for most users, the Help Center and feedback system are the main ways to get assistance. And that's how you contact Google Maps support through the web version. Open the menu panel, click Get Help, browse the Help Center, and send feedback if needed.